How to turn off the passcode on your iPhone. If you want to disable the passcode on your iPhone, here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app and scroll down until you find Face ID and Passcode. Tap on it, then enter your passcode when prompted. Next, scroll down until you see the option to turn passcode off and select it. A warning will appear, letting you know that apps requiring Face ID, such as hidden apps, will no longer need Face ID for access. Tap Turn Off, and you may be asked to enter your Apple ID password. Go ahead and enter it, then confirm by tapping Turn Off again. Once that's done, your passcode is officially disabled. However, if Face ID was set up, you'll need to reset it as well. Scroll up and tap Reset Face ID, then go back and confirm turning off the passcode once more. You'll be asked to enter your passcode one final time. After that, the passcode will be completely removed. At this point, you'll also see an option regarding saved passwords. If you no longer have a passcode, stored passwords on your device won't be as secure. You can choose whether to keep them on iCloud or only on your iPhone. And that's it. Your iPhone no longer requires a passcode for access. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks.